Friends, many people talk about Taptap send promo code, but the problem is that they are not aware how to use the promo code. In this video, we'll learn how to use promo code. So this is Taptap send that I have opened, and if you're also transferring for the first time money to your home country, the Taptap send, you just enter your amount here. Like say for example, I'm transferring 2500 AED to India, and the price that Taptap Send is offering is 180 equals to 25.95. Okay, and the amount as transfer fee they will deduct 5 AED. So the total amount that I will be receiving is 64875. But if you use the Taptap Send promo code, you will be getting a referral bonus from Taptap Send. Okay, so what you have to do, you just see the add promo code here. You just need to click here. Once you click here, here is the place where you can use the promo code, and the promo code you will be seeing in the display itself. The promo code is BIPUL84. Once you press BIPUL84, what you just do, you just click enter, and you can see BIPUL84 AD15, which equals to 389.25 will be added to your transfer. Okay, and also I have a credit bonus of 4580, which is equals to 11.67. So this is how you use promo code while you transfer money from UAE to India or from other country to India or your home country using Taptap Send. Okay, and then you just need to follow this step how to transfer money from UAE to India using Taptap Send. I have made a detailed video, you can check that. And if you don't have Taptap Send account, I have made a detailed video on how to create Taptap Send account. I will just put the link in the description, or you will get it in the I button. So in this way, friends, you can just use the promo code of Taptap Send, which is BIPUL84, to gain some referral bonus from Taptap Send. I hope you like the video. Do hit the like button. If you haven't subscribed my YouTube channel, do subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.